Cool, you're thinking about buying a Tesla. Awesome. Well, I want to go through the steps with you, what you'll need to do to get your home ready so you can charge your car at home. Because yes, Tesla does have some superchargers located throughout the valley, but there's no way that you'll be able to just get by on that. You're going to want a charger at home. So I'm going to show you what your contractor needs to do. If you don't have a contractor, if you need help installing a charging station at your house, give me a call, 480-200-4486. And hopefully you are going to be charging your car using your solar system. If you don't have a solar system, I'll help you there. So the first thing that they're going to do is on your home's main electrical panel is they're going to install a new breaker. It's a 240 watt, 240 volt breaker, just like your dryer. So it's bigger, it's a bigger plug. They're going to install that breaker in the main electrical panel, and then they're going to put some conduit from the main panel directly to the outlet here, and on the other side of this wall is the plug-in. So I could paint this conduit, which I eventually will, but right now it's obviously fresh. I've only had it for a few months. So puts a hole in your wall, seals it up, then you'll paint it. So on the other side of the wall is the outlet, just like you have in your laundry room. And it looks just like what you think it would. It's just a whole lot bigger. Just a big plug. Put it in. There you go. I'm charging. It's a nice, beautiful day. I'm making some electricity right now with my solar system, charging the car. And here we go. If you've never seen this, this is how you charge a Tesla as well. Is you just kind of push the reflector or the signal light, opens up, insert, and away we go. So there you have it. It's pretty easy. So if you need help, give me a call, 480-200-4486. But definitely, you're going to love having a Tesla, and you're going to love being able to charge it at your house.